So I noticed there's a number of people having problems with this circuit. You have to measure the current in the circuit, and you have to measure the current coming in here, and you have to measure the current that's going out on the output side. Not exactly sure why those things turn into a different color. I'll go back and reset that quickly. Okay. It's a little bit clearer. Right. So we do know that we need to have this power input set at a particular value. I think it's, well, not I think it's 0.4 milliamps. So that's pretty close to that, right? 392 microamps. So if you round this up, it's 400 microamps. Move this decimal point over 3 times over, it becomes 0.4 milliamps. Very clear on that math part of it. And then this one, it's pretty straightforward. It's 21 milliamps. Okay. Now I noticed some people use 10 volts to calculate the power. I guess they got 10 volts from right here. Well, you can't use 10 volts. To begin with, it's a peak value, and the formula is, power formula is using RMS values, right? So that's power is equal to the voltage times the current, and you have to use the RMS formulas for this. Can't use peak values. In any case, you can't use 10 volts because you don't know that you're getting 10 volts in here. Because it surely won't be 10 volts because you come in through this potentiometer. So what you need to do is to measure the voltage. So I put a couple of those probe things. Let me pull that up, put that probe there. So it's 4.23 volts. So that's what you should use. So I used about 400 microamps. And times 4 volts. Kind of round this off a little bit, and I get about 2 milliwatts. I know those are rounded off numbers, but the point is we're pretty close. Okay. And on the output also I need to put a voltmeter. So just put a probe right here, and I'll put those numbers right here. It's 21 milliamps times 2 volts, and that's equal to 42 milliwatts. So if you want to know what is the amplification factor, it's about 41. And so the amplification is pretty close to 41. And that's how you do that calculation.